Avoid costly repairs and stay warm this winter by learning how to spot early signs your furnace needs repair. Unusual noises. Strange furnace noises like banging or squealing may signal issues. Inconsistent heating. Inconsistent room temperatures could indicate furnace issues like blocked ducts or a faulty thermostat. Increased energy bills. A sudden increase in energy bills could signal your furnace is overworking. Keep your furnace in peak condition with expert repairs from Willco Air-Conditioning, Refrigeration, Heating in Sparta, New Jersey.